Hey friends, let's do this awesome lick Sunshine of Your Love by Cream. So we're going to start on the 12th fret on the D 2 times. Back to 10, back to 12. Jump to the A string, 12, 11, 10. Then on the E, 10, back to 8 on the A, back to the 10 on the E 2 times. Slowly. Then we're going to repeat that again, back to D, 12, 12, 10, 12, A, 12, 11, 10, 10 on the E, 8 on the A, and just play 1 10 on the E. Then we're playing these chords, we're going to play 12 A, 12 on the D, 11 on the G 2 times. Come back 2 frets to 10, 10 and 9, back to 12, 12 and 11. So, then we do A, 12, 11, 10, and then we're playing the 12 on the D and the G, 10 on the G, and 12 on the D, and then back to 10 on the E, and we do that part 4 times there. So let's try that at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up to tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.